Well, we are May the 31st, 2021. It is Monday. I just wanted to check in and show you some of the potato plants that I've started off from little pieces of potato. So when you have a potato, an older potato, and you have a little bit of an eye, you just cut off a little bit of take a slice and then place it in water. And within about 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing some activity, a little bit of growth. And once it starts like that, you can transplant it to a little bit of soil. And next thing you know, you'll start, there's one there that I've just started off, that one as well. And then you can see there's another one. Some of them grow a little faster, some of them don't grow at all. If you start seeing a little bit of activity, a little bit of green, then you know that you're well on your way. Here's another one that has just started to come alive here. And then you've got one here. And we've got two here. And then the largest one here. And these produce very, very well. You'll get a lot of potatoes out of these, and these things just grow like crazy. Super easy to grow potato plants. Really fun. Anyway, just a fast video. That's it for now.